Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today, what a market. Who thought market will be like this? And today, markets opened, gap up. I would say it's a significant gap up. For the last many days, we have been underperforming the global markets. I told you many times, so we will not be underperforming the world markets for a very, very long time because of some local issues. So we may be lagging behind, but ultimately we will align with the global markets. The global markets were very good. As I told you in the pre-market, Nasdaq 100 shot up nearly 1000 points in 2 trading sessions. And everything is looking good globally. And our problem is this ADANI issues. And what a market today. I heard many people have lost huge amount of money in ADANI group stocks. Even one of my friends asked me to suggest him to buy ADANI when it fell from 4,200 to 3,200, and I told him to keep away from the market. And many people, they thought from 4,000 it has come to 3,000, they thought it is cheap. It has already fallen 25%, and from 3,000 to less than 1,000 in just 3 trading sessions. Wednesday morning, I remember seeing ADANI Enterprise trading above 3,000, and today it was below 1,944 precisely. And a 2,000 point fall in just 3 trading sessions translates into a loss of 5 lakh rupees per lot. And the margin money itself is only 2.5 lakh rupees for each lot. And if there is a loss of 5 lakh, I heard many people have lost huge sum of money. When the loss is beyond a limit, brokers square up. I think it's only because of that today it went so many lower circuits. How many lower circuits today? 10%, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 7 lower circuits. And every lower circuit, is getting hit within 1 or 2 seconds without even a single trade is taking place. And that was the very, very huge. How we can expect a Nifty 50 stock to behave like this? In the last 15 years in the market, I have never seen any such thing. This ADANI stock has given so much scare to me, so I resolved myself, I will never trade in any stocks in my life in future. I will trade only in Nifty and Bank Nifty, nothing else. So, one good thing is that, though ADANI stocks were falling, the India VIX was down. And outside ADANI group, the things were all looking very good. And things were not really very bad. And after a long time, for so many days, irrespective of the market mood, these HDFC twins were underperforming. Today, the first time, both HDFC Bank and HDFC did very well. And addition to that, I told you State Bank of India, usually the Bank of Baroda results come after the market hours, but this time the Bank of Baroda came with results during the market hours. So, Bank of Baroda results were good, State Bank results were good. So, finally, Bank Nifty has shot up almost 1,000 points. And today is the day of financials. And you look at the top 5 performers, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv and HDFC Bank. And though other indices did not do that well, but autos and financials have done extremely well. Of course, there were some stock specific things like Titan shot up because of good results, Divis fell because of bad results, So today more or less, stock specific actions on many counters after the results. But ADANI, I tell you, it fell 40%. Then after that, from there, it shot up 50 plus percentage point. A stock can fall 40% and then 50%, which is a 90% move in 1 trading session, and 3 trading session, Wednesday 30%, Thursday 30%, and Friday 40%. So it's total 100%. The price should go to zero, but it is not like that. First day it fall 30%, second day it fall from there is 30%. So that's why it has survived. So this, as I've been telling you, better keep away from the market until Adani Group stocks stabilize. And Adani stocks, came under short selling, futures and options, so many things. But still today, all other Adani Group stocks, cash market stocks, they close lower only. Of course, Ambuja and ACC have done well, but other like Adani Transmission, Adani Gas, Adani Wilmar, so they all went for a lower only. So we will just wait for a few more days, and we wait for Adani stocks to stabilize, and before taking any view of the market. But I am bullish about the market just because we have to align with the global cues. And looking at the open interest, so I've seen that 17,700, 17,600, 17,500 put options have added good amount of open interest. So that shows the bullish nature of the market. We don't know what will happen on Monday, and let us hope there is no more report like Hindenburg comes over the weekend. So Monday our market will be normal. So today US markets will be very volatile ahead of the US jobs report, and so once that is over, then there will be one more data which will be consumer price inflation data. So other than that, February will go very smoothly in global markets. So FIIs as usual, they have sold for 932 crores. The domestic institutions as usual, so they have bought for 1,264 crores. So one important thing, like though Adani Enterprise was falling from 4,000 to 1,000, today only there were multiple block deals were reported. So that shows that some informed people they are buying. And again, we don't know, the Hindenburg may come and say Adani himself has bought those shares. So those things I do not know, but there were many block deals were reported, and then 50% recovered. So let us hope market stabilize from here. So Adani need to stabilize in order for markets to stabilize. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.